And you know, this weekend it's going to be a little closer to Cancun when it gets up to 60.
We're expecting 60 and 80 degrees all year long. Would be a little too boring for me.
That would be boring. I like the change of seasons. You got to like the change of seasons.
And the change of seasons, we have fog across central Indiana now. A dense fog advisory in effect for all of us until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Visibility's nearing zero. We're there in Greencastle, in Crawfordsville, almost there in Indianapolis, reporting a third of a mile in Muncie, Lafayette, and Peru. Visibilities will be dangerously low, and again reporting close to zero in Zionsville at a third of a mile. Same with Muncie, but zero in Marion, Logansport, Frankfort, Monticello, and again Crawfordsville. So dangerously dense fog continues to build across central Indiana. Make sure you allow some extra travel time overnight. First thing tomorrow morning, remember to use those low beam headlights. You will need to keep the headlights on even when the sun comes up. And I just read another fact that may help you. If you come to an intersection and you really can't see, roll down the windows and listen for traffic. Again, visibility's near zero. The good news, this should burn off by about midday tomorrow. Rain, one culprit to the fog that we're dealing with now. It has exited the state, but we've got a lot of low-level moisture, and again, that's contributing to the fog development across the area now. In addition to that, we are dealing with high waters on many of our local rivers, including the Wabash. We also still have a flood advisory in effect for the northern sections of Tippecanoe County until 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. Those river flood warnings go until Thursday. We didn't have a lot of rain across the northern part of the state, but snow melt leading to some roadways that are water covered across the northern sections of Tippecanoe County. The rest of us dealt with anywhere from a quarter to about a half inch of rain today. Temperatures across central Indiana with very foggy conditions now. 43 degrees. Winds are light west-northwest at 3, and that light wind won't mix up the atmosphere, so fog will be a real concern overnight through at least mid-morning tomorrow. Forecasting it to lift by afternoon. As long as it lifts, temperatures tomorrow afternoon will come into the 50s, in the range of 55 to 60 degrees. Where the fog lifts first, you will be a little warmer. All of us warm up on Thursday with mostly sunny skies expected, highs in the upper 50s and low 60s. Both Wednesday and Thursday will be dry. It'll be Friday that rain returns. Friday into the start of the weekend, we do have rain chances returning at the end of the SkyTrak 13-7-day forecast. Definitely a foggy start, perhaps thick enough fog for some school delays. Be sure to tune into Sunrise. It begins at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some sunshine on Thursday, 61. Grab the umbrellas for Friday and the start of the weekend, but we end the weekend with sunshine on Sunday and a high of 53.